In this module, we'll speak about how the big-ticket client thinks. Before we begin to know how to attract high-paying clients, we need to understand how they think. Only by knowing what they want and how they think can we come out with a master plan to attract their attention. This is exactly what this whole module is about. Now let me ask you a few questions. Why are big-ticket clients willing to pay more than average clients? What makes them different from average clients? Firstly, they are the clients who can afford to pay whatever the price you offer if they believe that the results they anticipate can be delivered by you. Secondly, all of them want the best from you. This is why they're called big ticket. Just take an example of two individuals opting out to purchase a car. Both of them given a choice of a Toyota and a Lamborghini. One goes for Toyota and the other the Lamborghini. Both are vehicles with four wheels, so why did they make different choices? There are two main reasons: affordability and quality. Simply said, they purchase the high-end product due to its exceptional quality, and they can afford it. Let me ask you a question. If affordability is not a problem at all, will you purchase a product with the best quality or value? Definitely yes. So, do you want to learn a killer technique on how to target the big-ticket clients? I'm going to give it to you now. The secret is to understand and grasp the mindset of the big-ticket clients. For those who go for luxury, where quality and affordability will not be an issue at all, most of them purchase the high-end products due to jealousy. Yes, that's a secret arsenal for you. Instill jealousy in your customers. Do you think one Lamborghini will be enough for the rich, or do you think they will buy another Ferrari and Bugatti to crowd their exotic collections? Why one is not just enough for them? Answer is, they want to be seen as the richest guy on the planet by owning the most amount of exotic cars compared to their peers. This is just an example for reference. Same goes to your products or services. If you manage to trigger jealousy among your clients, your revenues will go boom. You can do many things to instill jealousy. For example, you can share success stories in your sales page. 17-year-old Brian managed to earn $50,000 from nothing in 3 months just by learning these secret skills in internet marketing. You can also instill jealousy by asking questions. For example, a retiree made $80,000 online a month with these marketing secrets. Do you realize how much you're missing out from? You can do shout-outs in your posts or sites saying like, "Congratulations, Sarah, for making it into the top 10 affiliates in just 2 months of coaching. Congratulations to John for making $100,000 from $10,000 monthly in 3 months of coaching." What do you think those who read such jealousy-inducing statements will think? In their head, they'll think, "Oh my God, I can't wait to be like him or her." Furthermore, those who are on the fence, thinking about going ahead with your products or services or not, will be drawn to purchase it right away when they felt left out with the help of such statements. So what do big-ticket clients think of you? Firstly, they already see you as an expert before they get in contact with you, so don't make the mistake of hard selling yourself on the phone, as you will only look cheap that way. With the price they're paying, they expect you to produce fast and efficient results in their ventures. In a nutshell, high-paying clients think of you as an expert and want to see top-notch results from you. That justifies the price they're willing to pay. So before they invest their money in you, it's all about looking at your values. This is what makes big-ticket clients different from the average. They don't buy first, evaluate later. They evaluate first before making the big purchase. How do they evaluate? By looking at your values, which we will discuss more in future topics. But in a nutshell, values are demonstrated by you through many ways. It can be from your free online coaching, trial sessions, social media posts, helpfulness in forums, giving advice to those who ask for it free. Even simple Facebook profile pictures and banners demonstrate your value. Think about it. Are you willing to pay $1,000 to someone for their coaching session without knowing who they are? What kind of person they are? Are they credible? Can they really deliver what they claimed in the sales letter? The truth is, those big-ticket clients will not make such a mistake to invest in someone they do not trust. So here comes the importance of values. It converts into trusts. The more value to deliver for free before you charge them. The more they trust you, the more willing they'll be to pay for you or your products or services. So, with this information I provide, I hope that you can finally grasp the idea about how big-ticket clients think, are able to bring this knowledge to your business, and begin to crush it.